Few regions enjoy rains that reflect the many emotional states that make up human life, and Kerala is one of them. She is a land that holds her rivers and her rain very close to her heart. Try standing barefoot in this soil when Kerala gets drenched in Iduvapadi in June or Tulamara in October-November. You will have an experience that you will not forget for the rest of your life.
The southwest monsoon that comes at the end of summer cloaks Kerala in a refreshingly fresh green garment. The rain clouds rise from the Arabian Sea that fringes the west of Kerala and embrace the mountains of the Western Ghats. As a result, drops of happiness descend, filling the land and the hearts with ardour. Kerala is blessed with two rainy seasons. The first is the southwest monsoon that arrives in June. The second, the northeast monsoon that comes by mid-October, takes birth when rain clouds rising from the Bay of Bengal cross the Palakkad Pass and enter the state. Rain in Kerala does not lash fiercely or pour relentlessly for weeks on end. After a few rainy days, the sun invariably appears on the sky and caresses life, thus filling the land with new rhythms as sunshine counterpoints rain in ever-changing harmonic patterns. It also echoes the heartbeat of a community whose lives are inextricably linked to agriculture and water.
Nothing can replace the spectacular view of the rain clouds gathering in the horizon or the blessings it showers on its people. Kerala enjoys the rain that envelops her in cool comfort and beckons you to come, enjoy and experience this limitless splendor.